Hey, it's Luke at AgriGro. I'm here on the farm on Central with Michael Kilpatrick, a good friend of mine. I wanted to talk a little bit about fertilizer injectors and irrigation systems.
So water comes in, goes through the different setups. We have our injector right here, which then allows us to dose in different biologicals, ultra, that sort of thing. And then it goes out automated through the different solenoid valves, and this controls that to all different parts on the farm.
Okay, so let's real quick talk about this injector. I see it's coming down into a small 5-gallon bucket. What all do you mix through this?
Every 2 weeks, we want to make sure that our crop is getting that ultra. So between that, we may shut it off, and that's why you have this right here. You can just turn this off. This is running at about 2% mix, and yeah, you just turn it on and off by putting that valve down or back up. We're also typically mixing like a humic acid as well. So we're putting that and the ultra in, and that's just feeding the crops.
And so you use this every 2 weeks. Your farm is 4 acres, intensive veg.
Yep.
How much product have you gone through in 2021?
Yeah, in 2021 we were about 2 acres. We ran about 2.5 gallons. So we're running about 1 gallon an acre per year, typically.
And you're doing an application rate of about every 2 weeks. How many how many ounces per acre do you think?
That'd be more like 16 ounces to the acre, pretty
16
low.
ounces per acre, okay.
Yeah, we're more the thing that, just constant dripping it in instead of massive applications, a couple times a year.
Right, which I think is super good wisdom. A lot of times farmers don't want to engage with their crops, and they always try to be, I'd hesitate to say lazy, because there's no such thing as a lazy farmer, but if we look at any input as the food that we eat or the food for the plant, if you eat only once a year, you're probably not going to be super healthy.
Yeah.
And sometimes as farmers, we don't think that way. We think, hey, we're going to get this job done, we're going to knock it out in spring, and we're going to be done. That's not necessarily what your plants want. They would like to have a steady course of food to have healthy and just nutrient uptake into the plant.
And I think the important part, as you said, it's a lot of work to do it every 2 weeks, but that's why we have the automated system. Basically, just do this, right there, fill it with water with this hose right here, add my gallons of water I need, and then kick it on, hit my buttons, and away I walk.
And that is cleanly going through all your irrigation, all your sprinklers,
drip irrigation,
drip tape. And have you ever had anything plug up or anything?
I mean, the worst thing is like if we do decide to add fish or something, that is when it generally starts.
Yeah, fish can do that. Yeah.
The other thing we do is we always make sure we have a product in there that's going to be for half the irrigation cycle.
Okay.
So halfway through, that's going to run out.
And clean your lines.
And then you're going to clean your lines out for the next half.
Which is crucial.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Michael.
Absolutely.